Makadiko ruzhinji rweZimbabwe.
How are you people of Zimbabwe?
Muri kutaura naEmbara Munhumutapa.
It's me, Embara King Munhumutapa, speaking here.
Mukana wangu mukuru wokwasai masikati ano.
It's my great opportunity to greet you this afternoon.
Muri muna May.
In the month of May.
Date ndianzia?
23.
Musi wa 23 May. Ndinokwasai nemufaro mukuru sevana vangu veZimbabwe Kingdom.
I greet you all as children of Zimbabwe Kingdom.
Ndichida kungokuzivisai.
I would like to inform you the following.
Kuti Zimbabwe is no longer a republic.
That Zimbabwe is no longer a republic.
It's now a kingdom.
It is now a kingdom.
According to the order yandakawana,
according to the order he got
to the High Court of Zimbabwe,
from the High Court of Zimbabwe,
yanga yambotraya kuoverturnwa,
which had been tried to be overturned by the government, by the courts,
by Rotten
Row Court.
Majustice maviri akati kwete.
Two justices from the High Court of Zimbabwe refused that.
High Court order, it's order by consent.
They said the High Court order which was given to His Majesty King Munhumutapa is order by consent.
So you can't overturn High Court order.
Therefore, an order by consent cannot be overturned.
Inini sa Mambo Munhumutapa.
As His Majesty King Munhumutapa,
ndinowane mufaro mukuru wokuzivisai. Ndinonzwa vamwe vachiti Prime Minister wangu Comrade Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa.
I've got pleasure to inform you that as some people are saying that my Prime Minister Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa
vachiti unoda kuita Mambo Munhumutapa.
He is proclaiming to be Mambo Munhumutapa.
No. Order yandakatobata inotaura nezvangu iri kuti from the royal blood Mambo Munhumutapa anonzi Timothy Chiminya.
That is wrong information he is giving to the nation, because I, Timothy Chiminya, am of the royal blood of kingship of Munhumutapa. So it's me, Timothy Chiminya, who is the real king of Zimbabwe.
Musapedzera nenguva kana kuudzana zvisingaiti mukati menyika.
Therefore, don't waste your time telling lies in this country.
Prime Minister Comrade Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa,
Prime Minister Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa,
ndivo Prime Minister vakabata izvozvi vandinototi vanofana kuuya kuna mambo vandakanyorera tsamba zviri pamutemo.
He is at the moment my Prime Minister who is holding the governance in this country.
Ndikavaseva neorder zviri pamutemo.
Therefore, he should come and report to His Majesty King Munhumutapa, because I have saved him with the order officially.
So nyika ya kingdom,
therefore the country is now a kingdom forever and ever,
up to the Jesu wechipiri adzoka,
until the second Jesus
munokwanisa kuvaverengera tsamba yacho munoiratidza movaverengera kuti yakanga uri musi wani.
This is the letter which His Majesty wrote to the Prime Minister Comrade Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa. Therefore, I am going to read the contents of this letter to the nation. It's dated 15 May 2026. The Office of the President and the Cabinet, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, His Excellency Comrade Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa, Harare. Dear says, Rev. Timothy Chiminya, aka King Munhumutapa, Embara. The above matter refers, I write to inform you I was cleared by the High Court of Zimbabwe on all allegations against me. I am now legally King of Zimbabwe and Emperor of Southern Africa, born Timothy Chiminya. The following case numbers referred and attached for your attention. A. CHCR 6709 of 2025. B. HC 3981 of 2022. C. There is a certificate for Hieratic Embarado Recognition Certificate, Aukablan. I am now functional and carrying out my duties as king. Secondly, I want to inform you that the following names, I have patented them: Munhumutapa, 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 and Mutapa. Therefore, Zimbabwe is now officially a kingdom. Yours faithfully, Emperor King Munhumutapa, born Timothy Chiminya, and he signed and dated 15 May 2026. This letter was received by OPC on the same date, 15 May 2026, and it's signed as shown on the
Office
letter
of the President in the Cabinet. Yes. Ndinoda kukuzivisai nezvetsamba iri kubva kulegal document riri kurequesta local government kuti ichibhadhara mawages nemaallowance ayakanzi neorder indipe kuti kana government ichibhadhara vanhu, iniwo saEmbara Munhumutapa ndinofanira kubhadhara the way inobhadharwa machief, the way inobhadharwa masub, the way inobhadharwa wamunoti prime minister, the way inobhadharwa madeputy prime minister nemanhinkiri. Kusiri kuti ndiri kuda mari, ndiri kuda kuti mutemo uzvizive kuti everyone ane privilege yekuti awane mari kana uchinge uchishanda wapinda pabasa seizvozvi. Dai basa redu iri rakanga risingabhadhari machief kana maheadman kana masabhuku, tingade tichiti no, ndingade ndakuzisa mutemo wekuti vanobhadharwa sei. Saka naizvozvo, as a king of Zimbabwe, ndakuisa mutemo wekuti vanofanira kundibhadhara mari dzangu maererano nekuenda kwese kwandakaita kujere, maererano nekushungurudza kwese kwavakandiita. Ndakaisa letter of demand yakanyorwa nelegal lawyer kuti ndibhadharwe 7 days dzacho dziri kukwana Monday.
With me here is another letter which His Majesty wrote to Ministry of Local Government, Public Works and National Housing, Makombe Building, Harare. His Majesty is saying it's high time now that he should also be paid as other chiefs, headmen and village heads are paid. As Emperor Munhumutapa is now legally an employee who is due to be paid his wages and his salaries from the date he won his High Court order from 2022. Therefore, he's saying, as His Majesty is going to enforce a law so that he can be paid. With me, I'm going to read the letter which was written with a legal practitioners to Ministry of Local Government. This is the letter I'm holding here. It's from Tsara and Associates. I'm going to read the contents which are in this letter. It's dated 15 May 2026 to the Permanent Secretary, Minister of Local Government, Public Works and National Housing, Makombe Building, Harare. Dear Sir, Madam, Rev. Timothy Chiminya, aka King Munhumutapa, Embara. The above matter refers, We represent Mr. Timothy Chiminya, also known as King Munhumutapa, and the Emperor of Southern Africa. Kindly take note of our professional interest. We are instructed to advise you that our client has informed you that the Department of National Prosecution Authority has informed our client that it had informed your office that our client was cleared of all the allegations against him. Our client advises that he is the legitimate king of Zimbabwe and Emperor of Southern Africa. Kindly refer to the following cases and court orders annexed hereto for ease of reference. A. HCHR 6709/25, order by consent, that the appeal is allowed. Secondly, the conviction is quashed and the sentence is set aside. 3. The following is substituted by: the accused is found not guilty and is acquitted in courts. B. HC 3981 of 2022, it is ordered by consent that the plaintiff Timothy Chiminya is hereby declared as Mambo Munhumutapa, the defendant to pay plaintiff his outstanding wages and allowances. Each part to bear its own costs. And B, the order by consent is still valid. In view of the court orders referred to herein above, we are hereby instructed to demand payment of all wages and allowances due to our client within 7 days from the date of this letter. Please note that your failure to comply shall leave us with no other option but to take the necessary legal steps to enforce the court orders. Looking forward to hearing from you soon. Yours faithfully, H.S. Sara and Associates. That's the letter of His Majesty which he wrote to Minister of Local Government and Public Works.
Apa ndauda kuzivisai neze constitution yeZimbabwe Kingdom.
Here, with what he's holding in his hands, he wants to inform you about the Constitution of Zimbabwe Kingdom.
So, ya legally binding.
It's now a legally binding document.
Yakapublishwa zviri pamutemo.
It has been published officially.
In the 90 days, the official dzinotenderwa dzakapfuura.
Now, 90 days which are officially allowed for this to be a legal document have now lapsed, and it's now an official document for the nation.
So, ndakurudzira macourts ndofunga takakupai nevose vanoremekedzwa kuti muchishandisa this constitution yeZimbabwe Kingdom.
I now would like to inform all the courts, since we have given you this document before, I encourage you to now to start to use this document as an official document in your discharge of duties.
So, Samambo Munhumutapa, ndati ndikuzivisei ndofunga close iyoyo mamusina kumboiona kana kuti makaiverenga asi maiignore payaibuda pese. Ndoda kuti muvaverengere close yekupedzisira kuti yakati chii.
Therefore, I would like to inform you that maybe you didn't read one of the clauses in this constitution, which you would want me to read again to the nation, that this has made this document to be an official document. The last part of this constitution book, His Majesty, it reads His Majesty King's Declaration. The last part of this constitution, it reads: one, this Zimbabwe Kingdom law is a stamped stroke signed by anyone representing any organization or government department or any office within the country, is an official affirmation that it is now a law legally. That the clause which His Majesty referring to what is in this constitution.
Moadaritsa.
This is the last part of the constitution. If you Google it or went to go to all the platforms where it was sent, you read it and it reads the same. And this was stamped on the 8th of July, 2025.
So ndakuchitaura pane official documents rakabuda rine letterhead yangu richitaura nezvekuti King Munhumutapa vaapoinda someone kumabarracks kuti aite commander. No, handina kumbobvira ndakadaro.
There is one document which is in circulation on social media, which has got a letterhead of His Majesty, which states that he has appointed someone to be head of the military. His Majesty is denying that document, that he never wrote such a document. It's those culprits who have manipulated the letterhead and wrote what they want. He is firmly refusing that he never wrote such kind of a document, which is circulating in the social media.
Saka ini samambo Munhumutapa ndakumhanya kuti ndigadzirise nyika yedu nezvaingori, kuti make sure kuti tawana mainvestor, nyika yedu yagadzirwa, vanhu vekubatana navo tichiita mushandira pamwe chete. Ndo zvandafocused kuti nyika yedu iende mberi, nekuti vanhu vose vari muZimbabwe Kingdom vanoda kudya vachiguta, vanoda kuwana mabasa, vanoda kuti mhuri dzavo dziriritirwe. Naivo ndinovakurudzira kuti vange vachishanda zvine masimba kuti nyika yedu iende mberi yeZimbabwe Kingdom.
Now as Emperor Munhumutapa, I would like to inform the nation that I'm now at work and I'm running around to find out some investors who would come and invest in this country so that we can relieve the problems being faced by the sons and daughters of this country, so that they can have a better life, unlike how they are living at the moment. So I would like to inform you again that as I'm now at work, I am working hard to bring these investors in the country so that every family would not sleep without food on the table.
So ndine zvandichaita pamberi zvandakatopasisa zvamuchaona zvichiitika. Kunyange izvozvi vana Nyambirai ngavandione, vane mabhengi anga avhara, vanhu vese vane mabhengi anga akavhara ngavandione, tivape mari dzacho, mabhengi afunction.
So now with these investors I'm to bring into the country soon, I would like all those companies, banks, which are failing to function properly, to approach me or call me so that we plan together and have some funds to make their companies resuscitated, and also to open those banks or to make them work, since they are facing a lot of challenges in terms of funds.
Ndichida kupa order ko United Nations.
I would like also to give an order to United Nations
kuti Emperor Munhumutapa,
that Emperor Munhumutapa
vari kukumbira
is asking
masoja nemapurisa anombomirira kuti Emperor Munhumutapa vachengetedzwe semunhu mukuru.
I'm requesting for army and the police from the United Nations to give security to His Majesty so that he can be secured as an ancient emperor of Southern Africa
for just 6 months.
just for 6 months.
Tichigadzirisa nhau dziri kuitika munyika medu.
As we are being busy to restore order in our country at the moment.
Ndichida kutizve imi masoja nemapurisa vemuno,
I would like to say to the military and the police force in Zimbabwe,
ndiri kukomandai kuti mambo vanochengetwa, hamugoni kuitirwa basa neUnited Nations kana kuti neAfrican Union.
I'm instructing you that the king should be protected by you. United Nations should not provide security to His Majesty whilst you are there as the police force and the army for the country.
Saka munofanira kungoita basa renyu rekuuya kuna mambo mochengetedza mambo, sezvamunongoita kuna prime minister, sezvamunongoita kune maminister, sezvamunongoita kune mageneral. I am the last signature.
I therefore call upon you to come and give security to His Majesty as you are doing to the Prime Minister of this country, to the army generals, to the ministers, and all other senior members of the government, because I am now the last signature of the land.
And zvinhu zvose zvamaita, zvamaswera muchiita, zvamaswera muchishanda, I am the last signature. Zvichireva izvo kuti minerals ari muno muZimbabwe haachabudi without the consent yamunhumutapa. Reserve Bank imi mune magold course amakachengeta, ndaaramba akachengetwa. Kana achidefenda mari yedu, ndadefende mari yedu. Chiregai kungobudisa without the consent yamunhumutapa.
On the issue of resources, I call upon the government institutions that all minerals should no more leave the country without the authority of His Majesty King Munhumutapa, and you should also report to His Majesty of any activities you are doing within the country. I call upon the Reserve Bank to whatever gold they have in the reserves, they must keep it to sustain our economy as our currency is bonded with that gold.
But ndiri kurequesta United Nations kuti imbondipa masoja for 6 months, nemapurisa anondichengetedza for 6 months for safety yaEmbara mwene Mutapa.
Once again, I'm requesting United Nations to give me security for 6 months for my safety as Embara Munhumutapa.
United Nations tinoziva kuti ndo yakaregister the Judicial Service Commission from the International Court. Saka ngaichiziva zviri pamutemo kuti order yeZimbabwe yakapuhwa King Mwene Mutapa is now functional.
Now, United Nations inform you that, as you are aware, that all the laws, the judiciary laws are registered with you. Now the certificates for His Majesty King Munhumutapa, in order by consent, you must know that it's an official document. Therefore, I am the official king of this nation.
My investor ose ari mukati menyika dzakasiyana siyana, chizivai kuti mukauya mukaona prime minister munenge musati mapedza, munozofanira futi kuuya kuoffice yaKing Mwene Mutapa, ndo inozokusainirai for last, especially China. Handisi kufara nemawiri ari kuita China nekuti hapana chiri kuzobenefita vana veZimbabwe. We need kuna Jinping, we need kuti uye titaure tigare pasi toita zvinhu zvinoita kuti global system yedu ishande zvakanaka, isusu sema-Africans, iwewe se-Chinese.
To all investors, I would like to inform you that when you come and visit the office of the Prime Minister, you should not end it there. You should visit the Emperor of Zimbabwe, since he is the last signature. So all you have to do, especially Chinese investors, they are not coming to report to me. I just hear they are doing business of mining in Zimbabwe without reporting to His Majesty. Therefore, I'm calling upon all investors from China, and I'm informing the President of China, Xi Jinping, to come and sit down with His Majesty and make way forward in terms of the businesses which are happening in Zimbabwe of mining with your nation.
Ndakusiya namba yangu ndinoti regai ndise namba ya Commissioner Maregere, Commissioner wa King Munhumutapa. Ndo namba ichashanda yamunoshandisa kana muchida kuzosvika kuna King, nekuti King avasvikirike. Munotobva neikoko kuna Maregere vondiudza kuti zvakamira sei. Kana vandiudza zvakamira sei, ndokubhukai mukuonai. Vanhu vose vanga vaine chekuita nekushandisa zita rinoti Munhumutapa, 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 Mutapa, Munhumutapa, takaripa tenda. I am very very angry kune vanhu vachiri kushandisa zita iroro. Ndikutaura kune vese vamwe vatainzwa vachitaura kuti hanzi mastand for Munhumutapa, bhora for Munhumutapa, bhora chakati. Izvozvo must be stopped with immediate effect.
Now, to all those people who would want to see His Majesty Emperor Munhumutapa, he wants to leave a number which will conduct through his commissioner Maregere, so that you can have access to see him. Without going through his commissioner, you cannot reach my office. And also, I want to inform you that I have patented all my names which have made me angry because they were used for some other games without my authority. So he has patented the names like Munhumutapa, 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 and Mutapa. Those names should be stopped to be used with immediate effect, because I have patented them. They mustn't be used anymore without my authority.
Ndinotenda uye ndakanzwa vanhu vachiti Prime Minister vari kuzviita mambo. Kana vari mambo kurudzi rwavo rwavaira shumba, rwana Chirumanzi, rwana Mhepo, rwana Mutizirapi, asi ndokunge pasina mumwewo ari karendi mambo wacho. Kana varivo vakazviti ndiri mambo, ndo mambo wanenge vachireva chief iyeye, kureva kuti ndivana chief Chirumanzi, not chief Munhumutapa kana kuti King Munhumutapa. Ndati paite clear ipapo. King Munhumutapa ndiripo, I patent my name, I have that order. Anenge akuda kuzouya achiti ndini King Munhumutapa anofanira kunge aine order seyandinayo High Court, uye akakorenetwa neclan, nedzinza, nenyika sezvandakaitwa inini. Saka ndati ndikubudisirei clear rekuti aiwa ndinonzwa vanhu vachiti vaMunangagwa ndo mambo. Aiwa kuresva, mambo Munhumutapa varipo, asi vaMunangagwa vanotenderwa kuitawo mambo mudzinza ravo rekwana Chirumanzi, rekwana Mutizirapi, revaira Murambwi, rekwana Mafidhe. Kana vatendegwa nevedzinza ravo kuti vave chief wenzvimbo iyoyo, aiwa let it be. Kana neni ndikatovakoronetawo kuti ndinotenda zvemauya chief, ndinotenda inisa Emperor Munhumutapa, muridzi wezita, muridzi weumambo, muridzi wenyika, ndatenda.
Therefore, the number for the commissioner is 078-4733-433. I would like also to say this. I'm hearing people saying that the Prime Minister of this country is saying he is King Munhumutapa. Well, I understand he is of Shona totem. I don't deny that he be the king or the chief for the Masi people, those in Churumanzu. I would love to come and coronate him if he would say so. But the real honor and the royal blood, King Munhumutapa, it's me, born Timothy Chiminya. So I am the real Munhumutapa descendant son. So anybody, I want to make this clear that there are two different things. The Mazi people, the Shona totem people, and the Moyo totem people. The kingdom of Zimbabwe is under the Moyo totem people, which is him, Timothy Chiminya Mambo Munhumutapa. If the Prime Minister wants to be a king for his tribe of the Churumanzu people, the
Not a
Shumba
king,
totem,
a chief.
or if he wants to be a chief, not a king, he should be a king for that tribe. If they allow him to
A
be,
chief.
he should be a chief for that tribe. If they allow him to be, I would coronate him. I would be very happy to hear that.
But akazoti ndi Munhumutapa, ndakuti chiproducer order from the court.
So if you do claim to be Munhumutapa, I would request him to produce the order, which I have also attained from the High Court, announcing that he is King Munhumutapa, because I am the only one who has been granted the order by the High Court of Zimbabwe as Mambo Munhumutapa, born Timothy Chiminya, as an order by consent.
And the order by consent, you can't appeal forever and ever and ever and ever, according to the law.
According to the law, order by consent is not, you cannot appeal on it because it's a consent between the minister and the government that granted His Majesty that kingship.
So, ndinotenda.
So I thank you very much, sons and daughters of Zimbabwe, this afternoon.
Ngatishandei nesimba.
Let's work hard for our
Tisimudzire
country.
kingdom ya Munhumutapa.
Let's work for the emancipation of the kingdom of Munhumutapa.